In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN with a VPN, so you can access live sports and highlights even if you're outside the US or facing regional restrictions. Let's get started. To watch ESPN using a VPN, start by subscribing to a reliable VPN service like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. Download and install the VPN app on your device, smartphone, tablet, or computer, and log in to your account. Connect to a US-based server to bypass geo-restrictions. Once connected, open the ESPN app or website. If you don't have an ESPN Plus subscription, sign up for one while connected to the VPN, as ESPN requires a US zip code and payment method during registration. Log in to your account and start streaming live sports, highlights, or exclusive ESPN Plus content. For offline viewing, download eligible ESPN Plus content while connected to Wi-Fi and access it later in the Downloads section. Ensure your internet connection is stable and your VPN optimized for streaming to avoid interruptions. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy ESPN with a VPN.